Hi, welcome back, Elixiers. Shall we proceed with our nutrition facts label project? Step 11. Let's change default box sizing property. We can do that by using universal selector asterisk and giving it a box sizing property with the value set to border box. Step 12. Let's style our H1 rule by setting its font weight property to 800. It's going to make it look a little bit bolder. Step 13. Let's give our H1 selector a text align property set to center. Step 14. Let's fine-tune the placement of our H1 by giving it a top and bottom margin of -4 pixels and a left and right margin of 0 pixel. Step 15. Let's remove all margins from paragraph selector. Step 16. Lines are extremely important to separate and group important content, especially when space is limited and you want to see every content distinctively. So let's create a division element below our H1 element and give it a class attribute set to divider. Step 17. Now it's time to create a selector for our new divider class and set the border bottom property to 1 pixel solid and somewhat black color. And then give it a top and bottom margin of 2 pixels and 0 left and right margin. Step 18. The letter spacing property can be used to adjust the space between each character of text in an element. So let's give our H1 selector a letter spacing property set to 0.15 pixel to space them out a bit more. Step 19. Nutrition labels have a lot of bold text to draw attention to important information. It's efficient to use a class than targeting each element that needs to be bold. Hence, let's give our second paragraph element a class attribute set to bold. Step 20. Our bold class needs some styling. So let's create a bold class selector and give it a font weight of 800 to make the text bold. But firstly, we need to remove the font weight property from the H1 selector. Alright, that was all for today, folks. Hope you like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.